beer business nearly 5 years ago. I started working for Howe Brewery, which was founded in 1996 in Local Squamish, beautiful British Columbia. I came here from Ireland and to Canada in 1999. Got into the hospitality pub business, so learned a lot about local Canadian beers, which I didn't really like. And then the craft beer movement started happening around 2008, and there was only half a dozen craft breweries in all of BC. Today I believe there's over 100 craft breweries. In fact, there's so many opening that I can't even keep count anymore, and brew over 23 beers, all seasonal. You may ask yourself, what exactly is craft beer? Well, craft beer is basically a small production brewery that produces small amounts of speciality beers, unfiltered, with no preservatives. Late 2015, we opened the Devil's Elbow. It's been very successful. We specialise in all the brews that the brewery produces, and we also specialise in smoked meat, which is brisket and chicken. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody at the Kalel, and I will be sampling some of our seasonal best beers, and look forward to seeing everybody there, and we can discuss and more importantly taste these beers until we're absolutely satisfied that they are perfect.